Amit, hi from Istanbul. Hope you're doing fine. I see your artworks, and so the subject is clear: coronavirus, and hopefully it ends up very soon. And almost 3.5 million people are infected, and the situation is getting worse and worse, and almost the based on the explanations of science people, only 4-5% of the world infected yet. So we are still in the beginning, based on their declaration, I mean. And so what are the I get in contact with many friends in India, that's sure, and we do some live sessions as well. And so how is the situation in Jaipur, and the restrictions, lockdown measures, and do people obey the restrictions in India, and how you deal with the situation about staying home and activities and all. And cheers from Istanbul. Bye bye.
Hello, this is Amit Kalla, visual artist, painter, and a poet from Jaipur, the pink city of India. From last 2 months, we are in complete lockdown, although our entire country is locked down. Uh, entire country is locked down. It's really a difficult time. It's really a crucial time. But for the sake of survive, everyone is obeying the instructions given by the government. Indian people are very sensitive. They are conscious. They are obeying the rules and the regulations. And government also trying to do their best to overcome from this disease. As an artist, it's a different type of a time. Since when we do work, when we paint, when we write, we always in isolation. We always enjoying that solitude. But this is the forced solitude. This is not the solitude, but this is a lockdown kind of a thing. So it's a different type of a notion. But since I'm in my studio, so this is my studio. I have a lot of colors, paints, and a canvas. So I am deeply involved in my creative process. So I'm enjoying that process. I'm enjoying to be at a one place. So that's one of the segment of this whole scenario. So it's a time of it's a time to think. It's a time to revive. It's a time to connect in different way. It's a time to contemplate. It's a time to have some self introspection. It's a different type of time, and we are going through that. So once again, my good wishes to all people of Turkey and of all world. We pray. We have some prayers in our Vedas, in our ancient texts. So we called it Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah, Sarve Santu Niramaya. Everyone will get good health. Everyone will get sukh, the completeness, the fulfillness. So I want to convey my regards, my love, my affection to everyone. So once again, thank you so much and love to all of you.